In this video we're looking at Canva. Canva is available both in the browser, as I'm using here, or via a free iPad app. And what it allows you to do is to create lots of designs for various functions. So as you can see at the top, you can create a presentation, you can create a poster, create an A4 layout, a card. If I click on the More function, you've got the option to do various images to support your social media posts, documents, marketing materials, social media headers, events, all sorts of different things that you can create. When I'm using it, I tend to make use of the custom dimensions function, and as you can see, I've used it, and I'll bring this image up, used it to create images as thumbnails for my YouTube account. So there's an example of that. I'll go back to my designs. I've also used it to create presentations and images to use on websites that I've created. So you can see there's a variety of different things you can use it for. I'll go back to Canva again, and as I say, you can use custom dimensions, so you can create just the button or image or poster that you wish to do. So let's create, for the moment we'll create an A4, and it'll bring up a blank template. To the left you'll find a variety of predetermined templates, and you can choose those. Those that have a charge involved will have a dollar sign beside them. Like this one has a dollar sign, so it's going to cost, but this one is free. Like this one has a dollar sign, but that one is free. So you've got a variety of templates. I tend to create my own, and you can click on layouts. You can choose photos that are license free, so they're Creative Commons for reuse, and you can just click and drag those across. And then, having added photos, you can add some lines, and there's different types of lines that you could add, and you can make maybe a grid or a box or whatever you want us to do with that, and you can spin it round, so that could become your border for your photograph. And it's very easy, as you can see, to drag elements, and when you've done one, you can duplicate that one and fit that on the other side, and then you can duplicate that one again and spin it round, and then place it over your top, and then you can just pick up the corner and drag it. So very quickly you can see I've added a border to my picture, and there's a whole variety of different borders. You may decide you want a pattern for your background, so clicking on the arrow, you can alter the transparency, and you can move it back behind your image, so you can arrange it. You can also change the color, and you can put in a particular hash color code if you choose, and away you go. So you can see very easily we can start to add and make a poster. There are icons that you can use, and you can just click at those, edit the size of them and drag them in. And there are various shapes that you can bring in as well. Having done that, you can create some text. You can either use one of these just to add a text box and to start typing. You can alter the font style and the color of the font, and you can move that and position it where you want. Or you can choose one of their templates, and again you could edit the color of the text and the size, and choose where you're going to position it within the thing. So if that's how you use Canva, really powerful creative tool that you can use for posters, presentations, whatever it is you want to do. When you finish, you just go either share if you created a poster, and it'll give you a URL to make it available to anyone with a link, or you can click download and choose either JPEG or PNG for web, or for print a PDF, and away you go, and it will download it to your file. If you've got multiple files, then it will download it as a zip. So that is Canva, a great creative tool. I'd love to see what you can come up and use it for.